like that where you can't stop
We got Cameron Eglin, we got DZ Boy 01, and we're off to get the Terminator Cobra. And you know, we'll see you guys there. Cameron's gonna be the cameraman, Derek is gonna be the GT driver, and hopefully everything goes well. So we'll see you guys there. Definitely. No, rest in peace, Clutch.
What?
You know, don't drive it in heavy rain with those rear tires.
Are they drag radials?
Yeah, they're drag radials. Yeah, they're DRs.
All right.
Yeah. So, yeah, just be careful in the rain. You know, don't be mashing on it. Yeah, but no, I mean you should be good to go. All right. I just serviced it, so yeah, just put fresh 91 in it.
Gotcha.
And then yeah, don't ever put. It's always got to have 91. So, but other than that, I should have all the stuff in the trunk for you. So
thank you.
And you got the pipe.
Right.
You got the pink slip. I gave you the folder. I think that's it, man.
Awesome.
That should be it. So, all right, man. Well, I really appreciate it. Yeah. Just let me know.
Oh, but it already feels more powerful.
Oh my God, bro. Dad, this is crazy.
Whew.
Wait, the e-brake was on.
That's why.
Are you serious? Dead, bro.
That you got to get used to that.
Bro.
Still brake.
Oh, great. Well, mistakes are made.
He said, "Oh, great." Jeez, bro, pop the hood real quick.
Are we okay? Yeah.
We're good, but you're like not even in the stall.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, I kind of messed up.
Bro, pop the hood. Let's get this.
Oh shoot. Doing a burnout? That's why it's so slow.
Bro, you did a quick pull too.
I know. But I think it's supposed to hold it. It's the rear brakes that lock, it's not the front.
Yeah.
Where's that thing? Brakes.
We thought it was clutch at first.
Yeah, I know.
Because aren't they like hecka similar? Pretty much.
Shake my head. That's a fat neck.
Don't even know how to pop your hood. Come on.
Bro, I don't know how this.
All right, go back. Let's go back. Go return it. I can't pop the hood. It broke. No.
I thought it was on the bottom. I know. It was weird. Oh, there it is.
Got it.
Drag radial, so this thing hooks.
Oh yeah.
So you actually have to put premium.
Yeah, it's required.
Okay.
Wait, why is it required though?
From factory.
Oh.
Because it's a supercharged engine.
Oh yeah, true.
That makes sense.
Bro, this thing's so crazy.
Oh my gosh. How do you feel?
Crazy, bro.
Oh god, look at them next to each other. It's so
Let's get it. Let's get this shot. Bruh, check that out.
That's nuts.
Bro, with the drag radials on it, you gotta get those nice and sticky.
Bro, they're already hooked. Bro, there. It looks good, doesn't it? It looks so much beefier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's be real.
But yeah, I can see what you mean. Like the tires are like hecka far in.
It's because it's lowered.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the top down real quick. Okay. Just to see. I'm not gonna drive with it down.
Wait. Oh, this side's locked still. There you go. Oh. Oh.
I can't drive it.
Oh.
Driving with the top.
But I'm in cold.
I'm gonna drive in the city. Okay, I have never done reverse yet. Wait, it's to the right. Is that?
Hey. Oh, watch out.
Oh, your lights on? I know.
Bruh.
I gotta be careful, bro.
Maybe it's just like the pulley, you know?
I'm not trying to scrape the hole.
Did you hear the whine?
Oh my god, bro. This thing hauls. Oh my god.
You were so quiet and then it just like blew up.
Yeah, did you feel that? Oh my god, bro, this thing falls. Oh my god.
Now your dad's second guessing.
I'm scared for it, bro. I'm for real scared of it.
Oh my god. It's actually pretty
No,
loud.
I'm surprised, bro.
Do you still want the X pipe?
I don't know now.
It's gonna be really loud. What? No.
Yeah. I can't see the road.
Bro, I gotta get it. Oh my gosh. That whine though! Bruh!
God, bro.
Oh!
Oh my god, bro.
Woo!
Dad, did you feel Oh my god. Oh, Cameron.
What?
This thing hauls, bro.
I know. Bro, my recording's probably gonna be all over the place. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah, I know, take the city.
Oh!
5.0, bro.
Bro, you gotta turn
Oh,
left. Turn left, bro. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You gotta learn to rev match it.
No, I'm not quite there yet.
Yeah, you'll get it. You're doing really good with the stick, anyways.
Bro. Oh my god, bro, this thing.
Woo! Bro, if only that 5.0 knew it was right here.
Oh, I heard it. That was the oh, that's a break.
That's a break, yeah.
Straight? Right. Okay, let's try not to get trouble with this piece.
Bro, look at your boost PSI level. It's like, yeah! Oh, where's DZ at?
Oh, shoot!
A riced out Civic.
Where is he? Oh, I stalled it.
Ah, time. That's first time.
Why do I have my blink on?
Oh, bro, it's a 5.0. Bruh, it's a 5.0. Bruh, squad up. Look, you got all the generations right here except the old one. Bruh, you got the 3 valve. Yay. You got the Cobra and the 5.0. Look at that. Bruh. You did? I didn't even hear it. Bruh, this 5.0 though. Oh, there you go, boy. Is that DZ or the 5.0? Alright, we got the 5.0, we got Alex, and DZ in the 3 valve. Let's go. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I bet. Oh my gosh, dude, my hands are shaking.
Dude, oh my god, bro, this is unbelievable.
Hey man, what's the retail on oil?
I don't know, man. This is a Fast and Furious call, and I don't remember it.
Let's go. DZ, say what's up.
What's up?
Oh, shoot.
Bro, is it more fun driving a manual?
Heck yeah. Where are we going?
Who knows? Me too!
Second?
I think so. But the exhaust is actually sounds good. Like it's not like too loud.
It gets loud when you want it.
Yeah.
It's smoother too.
Way.
Nice.
Like, oh shoot.
I go right.
Make it right. Out.
Bro, DZ, when he steps on it, the boost gauge just goes bink.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm going for it.
Fires.
I'm not touching the brakes yet though.
I don't know. Never heard that
You see the car move? That's what happened in the Firebird when he revved it.
Is he? How far is he away, man?
I think he's right here.
Right there. Wait, did he close it or not? He's
Oh, yeah, he's right there.
It's up.
What the heck was that?
The Civic. It's 7:14. Oh my gosh. Here he comes. I don't know.
I don't know what he said. Yeah, he waved at me. I think he liked it though. I think he did. Alright guys, so we made it back home. As you guys can see, we got the Cobra. Silver metallic. It has an intake pulley and tune and exhaust. The thing is actually really loud. I didn't think it'd be that loud. But you guys should have seen some Mexico footage already. Other than that, man, I'm speechless, man. I've been wanting this thing for the past 2-3 years, and it's finally happening. So I'm really excited. This thing is unbelievably fast, and I can't wait to start this channel. And hopefully, you guys stay tuned. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.